Hey YouTube, this is Poppy Lover 2001 here. Just got done with Plugged In. We worked on a lot of songs. And here's my entire fire alarm collection. Well, honestly, you can still have I still have the elk speakers. Gonna be getting sirens soon, but still got those. This is my trombone. So I gave the 4050 and the 4040 to Christian because he loves those alarms. But new to the collection are these. These are Wheelock fire alarms. I have a 7002T-24. This horn is this is a famous fire alarm because every time the strobe flashes, the horn skips. So it's like, sort of like that. And this is its sister horn. It's the 7004T-115. So these are the same horns. One skips, one also skips, I think. And along with it, I have a 31T-115. You can see the label. Yeah, so there's the label, you can see. I'm actually turning this into a horn strobe, sort of like the Wheelock 7002T well kind of video. And I have a 34T-12. Took the label off. Well, I hope to get a Wheelock 30. Whoa, knocked the 31T-115 by accident, but fix it. There we go. Yeah, I'm hoping to attach my, what is it? There we go. I'm hoping to attach my, this strobe. It's a Wheelock WST-20, no, Wheelock, where's the label? WST-115. I'm hoping to, adapt it onto the Wheelock 31T-115, wire it up, because I wanted to see if it can actually act just like the 7004Ts. And I like these horns with these kind of strobes on it. It's pretty cool. And speaking of Wheelock stuff, I also have another Wheelock strobe. It's a WS-115. I'm hoping to get a Wheelock WST-24 because I've always wanted to adapt it onto a Wheelock 34T-1-24 because I like it when it skips. I don't like it when the horn just goes. I like it when it skips, just like a 7002 and a 7004 too. And I want the 7002 and the 7004, the one with the pigtail wires. And I want the Wheelock 31-115 because I want to adapt or wire this strobe too. Because I like it when these strobes and horns are put in use together. And that's teamwork. A strobe and a horn wired up to make it skip, which is pretty cool. So other than the Wheelock fire alarms, I have a lot of simplex. Well, another Wheelock one. Speaking of this talk about Wheelock, I have a Wheelock pole station. It's a fire pole station. I'm hoping to get one of these sitcom pole stations because I want to decorate my room with these pole stations. I actually want a fire alarm system in my room because, yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, and there's a key. In the back of these Wheelock stuff, I have an Amsico. I forget the model number. An Amsico. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Amsico BZ54VT. Yeah, this is one of the weird sounding horns. Yeah, I made a little video of called, I forget. That's on another channel that's abandoned. When the Anzico BZ54 VT takes a dump. Yeah, I remember that video. Yeah, the horn has a little dust. Yeah. Good thing I have it off. But behind all this Wheelock stuff, yeah, I put that pull station there. I have two Edwards pulls. They're the old ones. This is the manual pull. This is the non-coated pull station. I have two poles that are non-coated, but the big one is coated. And the code it does is 343 I meant. I'll activate it so you can see it. Yeah, so that's the Edwards poles I have. Up there. And behind all this Wheelock stuff, I have, oh yeah. I have a 2901, 9806. These are the most common horns I've heard. Yeah, I love these horns. I've been looking for a horn that looks and sounds like this kind. It's AC powered though. And speaking of other AC stuff, I have a 2901 9553. Yeah, it's basically the same. It's the AC version of the 2901-9838. I'm hoping to get a real 2901-9838 soon. But Christmas is almost coming. And I also have down here, let me put these horns back. I also have a Simplex 2902-9739. I'm actually going to replace the strobe with a bulb because I want to see if I can make it code March time, continuous. Yeah, it'll be cool. I like the light bulb instead of the strobe because I really hate the strobe. And right here I have this pull station right here. Right here I have this is, wait, I have two of these. Where's my other one? Well, oh, here it is. I have you might have seen these on another video. This is a Demco 746 and a Demco 747. Yeah, this one's a siren, this one's a speaker. Put that with my other security stuff. Now I'm hoping to get a siren driver at some point. I have a dome-shaped siren light. I don't know what they call it. Oh yeah, or a beacon. And the final thing I have right now is a Simplex. It's a chime, a vibrating chime. It's a Simplex 2902-9052. It's a chime. Yeah, I like these things. I'm hoping to get a speaking of chimes, and the thing with chimes is they sound good, but I'm hoping to get an Edwards 340-T because I love that cowbell. And for all fire alarm enthusiasts, I would love to have one of those. So, if you have any more questions about these horns or stuff, just contact me at SallyPittman41@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.